Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natural Mystique here. If you want to get into this hair, okay, this color, this wig, keep watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What's up, y'all? So today the wig that I'm reviewing is by Sensational Curl Kinks & Co. The Boss Babe. So this is me just taking her out the package, looking at her, getting familiar with the color, the construction of the wig. So in this next clip, you'll see me plucking her, examining her, getting to know her, see, how she's going to do. So keep watching, y'all. And don't forget to subscribe and leave your girl some love. Let a sister know. Enjoy. Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gents. So today, the wig I'll be reviewing her is Boss Babe. It's a Curl Kinks & Co. unit. So it's similar to the role model unit that I reviewed a couple weeks ago. I'll link that somewhere up here. So I really like that wig. Like I said, I love the texture of that wig. So I wanted to try another one of these. So I got the bob straight hairstyle, but I did some color this time. So the wig is Boss Babe, like I said, and it's the color I have it in is flamboyage auburn. It comes in a lot of colors. 613. Flamboyage auburn, flamboyage blonde, flamboyage chocolate, flamboyage mocha, T1B27, F1B30, T1B burgundy, and then of course your 1, your 2, your 4. So I really like what they did with these cards, like the stock cards. It gives you a lot of information on the wig and like their collection. It lets you see, more about it. So this wig has three combs, 2 by the part and 1 in the back. It also, of course, has adjustable straps. It's a lace front unit with baby hairs. So I will come back and bring this wig to you guys. So y'all, this is the wig on my head. So let's talk about a couple things. First of all, this color. Can we get into this color? I don't know if my camera's doing it justice, but the highlights, sensational. Y'all did y'all thing, okay? That color is everything, especially against like my skin for summertime. It's perfect. It it could also be almost like something I could wear to work, because it's not like too out there and it's a natural color. Now let's get into this hump thing up here. So the wig, I love it. I love the texture. I love the thickness. Like, it looks like it could be my hair blown out. My biggest issue, and really my only issue, it's not the parting this time, but it's actually, oh sorry, it's actually the density up top. So I guess my concern is like how poofy it looks. To me it looks more wiggish because of that hump. I did pull out my good old fashioned curling wand and like try to layer down just to like tame it, but other than that, this wig is giving me life. You know, I give you life. You know, I try. Y'all see me trying to match my little eyeshadow with my makeup. You know, just trying to get up there a little bit. You know, just something light, something slight. So I really, really love this hair though. I'm trying to decide. I probably will wear it to work tomorrow just to kind of see how much I like it. It's a beautiful color. Like I said, I would definitely recommend this wig. I'm getting ready to start a playlist once I get my videos up there of like wigs that you can wear to work and wigs that you can wear for special occasions, and just different playlists just to make it kind of easier. I know that sometimes we as women, we just want something. We have a wig for work, a wig for play, a wig for, yeah, I'm saying, just we for a lot of women that I know, wigs are accessories. It's like our jewelry. So it's not a form of self-hate for the haters out there. It's just it's an accessory. It's something to change our look or give us a different edge. So yeah, look, stay tuned and look forward to that playlist. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. And if you haven't already liked this video, like down below, comment, subscribe, show your girl some love, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.